उनके साथ काफी रहते हैं 15-15-20 दिन के, तब उनको खून के यही होता है ना।
We can check here, sir. Good afternoon, friends. Today we are at the National Media Center. So we have the Border Security Force. They are here for this next. We are going to have the Sardar Patel statue, the Sardar Patel Unity run and everything, which is going to be at Narmada River, sir. So we have DIG Nag, sir, and we have these. They're the real people who are saving the borders and all. So welcome, sir. So you would talk about sir, the dogs, the Mudhol dog, Ria, and the other ones, sir.
Yeah. On the call of Honorable Prime Minister in 2020, when he addressed the nation through Man Ki Baat, he had called the nation to train and adopt Indian breeds of dogs, because whether it is Army or CAPF, the Central Armed Police Forces, they all have been training exotic breed dogs. That is German Shepherd, Labradors, and Belgian Malinois. So when he asked the nation to adopt and train these dogs, so we took the initiative. We took the first leap first, and the Border Security Force adopted, bred, and trained these indigenous dogs. And we trained two breeds. One is the Madhol Hound. She is Ria Madhol Hound, and then the Rampur Hound. We started training them, and we trained them, and we found that they are equally good as the exotic breeds are. And after breeding them for 3 or 4 generations, the results started pouring in, and all these breeds, Indian breed, Madhol Hound and Rampur Hound, they proved to be very good sniffers. They proved to be very good attackers in the sense that they can chase down the enemy. You can see they are very thin, lanky, and skinny, so they are not bulky. They can chase down, and tracking is one thing which is
Speed.
at say around 40-45 kilometers per hour. So that's quite good. And they take big leaps. They don't take short strides. So once a dog is chasing an animal, an intruder, and that too undulated topography, so that adds to the beauty of this dog.
When we talk about the Great Dane, so like how do we compare them? They look more like a Great Dane, a smaller version.
Exactly. See, Great Dane is also a dog with a certain height, but then it's bulky. It cannot chase the enemy as fast as they can.
Right. So where they bred, sir?
They've been bred in India in our training center, National Training Center for
Which place,
Dogs.
sir?
Which is in Gwalior.
It's in Gwalior.
Yeah.
So we'd also like to know, Ria, it has got the award. So this is in what category, sir?
Say, Ria took part in All India Police Dog Competition at Lucknow. So there she defeated 116 exotic breed dogs, and she took part in tracker dog competition, and she was declared as the best dog of the meet. She bagged the gold medal, which is wearing around her neck. She was declared the best tracker dog, and besides that, she was also declared the best dog of the meet.
Right. And so we want to know, like, what is the age of Ria at the moment?
She is now 2.5 years.
Until what age they are like?
See, they have got a longevity better than the exotic breed. They can live up to 10 to 11 years. But in BSF and in Central Armed Police Forces, we rear them up to 8 years.
Right. So would you like to introduce your, people who are training them? If you'd like to introduce.
Yeah, he is Constable Ashok Kumar. He is the master of this dog.
एक बार आपको पकड़ना पड़ेगा, लास्ट में shoot कर दो.
एक बार इधर देखिए.
He is Ashok Kumar, Constable Ashok Kumar Kumawat Pitni. He is actual handler and trainer of this dog, and is the proud asset of the Border Security Force, because he trained this dog, and which ultimately bagged gold medal not only for National Training Center for Dogs but also for the BSF, and brought laurels for our center and force. And I'm telling you, one day will come when these dogs, both Madhol Hound and Rampur Hound, will bring laurels, many more, and will be demanded by many countries. Yeah, they will be in demand. They will be in demand. आप कुछ कहना चाह रही है?
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? आपका जो आपका खुद का ट्रेनिंग होता है और इनको जो आप ट्रेन करते हैं, इसमें क्या खास?
मैं कांस्टेबल अशोक कुमार कुमावत, रिया के ट्रेनर। एक्चुअली में देसी डॉग को ट्रेन करना बहुत अच्छा लगा। शुरू में काफी दिक्कत का सामना किया, लेकिन बाद में जैसे जैसे डॉग को समझा, मैरिंग अप हुआ, उसके बाद में जैसे आगे बढ़ा ट्रेनिंग में, उस्तादों के गाइडलाइन के अनुसार और ओसी एनटीसीडी सर के आदेश अनुसार। और सबसे मेन बात है कि जैसे हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बोला था कि लोकल फॉर वोकल, स्वदेशी अपनाओ, उसी के तहत हमने देसी डॉग को ट्रेन किया और आज नतीजा सबके सामने है।
इस लोग का डाइट प्लान क्या रहता है?
डाइट और सेम है, जैसे अदर डॉग ना, सबका सेम है, सेम टू सेम।
सर आप इनको परिचय देंगे, आपके साथ जो ट्रेनर हैं, आप इनका परिचय देंगे, फिर इनको माइक देंगे।
जी, मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं कांस्टेबल योगेश कुमार।
आप थोड़ा अपना परिचय देखिए।
नमस्कार सर, मैं कांस्टेबल योगेश बीएसएफ एनटीसीडी टेकनपुर में कार्यरत हूँ। मेरे पास रामपुर हाउंड डॉग लिली है। मैं अभी इसके साथ ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ। ये अभी अंडर ट्रेनिंग है।
इसको कितना समय लगता है? आप लोग डेली मतलब कितना ट्रेनिंग करते हैं जब मॉर्निंग में?
मॉर्निंग में सर 3 से 4 घंटा लग जाता है सर।
फिर इवनिंग मतलब पूरा रेगुलर?
इवनिंग में सर
ये लोग स्वयं भी करते हैं, पानी में तैर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा जंप करेंगे जैसे, सब कुछ करते
सर।
हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और एक बार ये लोग आप इनको
ओके, थैंक यू।
अच्छे शूट करता हूँ मैं इनको। चलो आप लोग भी आएंगे तो